brought in from the Pacific.
Yeah.
All the ships come through here. They got to start migrating south into the Puget Sound right through here, and you'll see that it's no kidding, a choke point. You start seeing some of the bunker areas to the right. You see them over there?
Yeah. We're all vaccinated. It's fine.
True, I am.
And we're outside.
Remember Biden said we can now not have to wear masks outside.
He also said if there's no one around,
There's no one around.
let's just socially distance then.
We are. Look, that little girl's got the hat you want me to get.
Yeah. Just fashion forward, you know what I'm saying? So we're walking up this hill at Fort Casey. Gonna go check out this big old cannon looking deal. I'm only moderately geeking out at the moment. No big deal.
Moderately geeking out.
Climbing on this is prohibited. Well, there goes my plans.
Say what?
So, well, there goes my plans.
Look at this giant eagle sitting on the corner over here.
Yeah, you see the eagle on the...
Can you
Woman.
zoom in? What?
Take pictures of it. Gave you a camera for a reason. Horrible at vlogging. We're gonna film the whole trip. Look at this thing.
Go around this way.
It's just hanging out there.
Big chillin'.
Chilling.
Big chillin'. Bird! Bird!
Can't say enough about the view here. It's about as far from Indiana as you can get.
Yes.
I'm still being
This, like, in the U.S. might be as far as you can get from Indiana. Right? Short of Alaska.
Short of Alaska, yeah.
Or Hawaii. But in the continental U.S., right?
Continental. That.
This is like some Assassin's Creed, like come over the wall type stuff.
Ammunition rack.
Does it like lift up? Yeah.
Probably ammunition rack. Or that you could grill a pig there. I don't know. One of the two.
Upload. You ain't lying, buddy. On my head is like.
Yeah, you got about 2 inches to spare.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's about it.
What are these? Storage?
I guess.
Steve, you're supposed to know all things military fact, okay?
No.
That's your job.
This is gonna
This one's got a door.
be crap. Parkour!
See it, Mama. Let's see it. There we go. That's squat maneuver, boy.
Gotta work the legs.
That butt. Work that butt. All right. We're gonna selfie cam this bad boy.
Parkour.
Made it.
You would have went boom.
Oh, right in the mud. With this thing holding. That'd have been the greatest. That'd have been the greatest fall ever. So, what do we think the weight limit on this is? He's like, Mom. I got friends. I got friends. All right, we made it down from up there. Now we're down here. I didn't film on the stairs, so I thought I was gonna die. Ooh.
I would venture to say that this is definitely haunted.
100%. 100. I don't have my phone. There we go. I fell and it's on camera.
Well,
I fell and it's on camera.
is that the knees on the basketball court type floor?
Oh, it wasn't that bad.
Oh, okay.
See, you guys thought me video logging everything was gonna be annoying. Look all the great footage I'm getting.
All the great memories you're capturing.
Yeah, like me falling up them goddamn stairs.